welcome back to SoftTech. It's me Lukman here. So today I'll be showing how to see a WhatsApp message without the sender or the other person knowing. So if you're watching the video without subscribing, please subscribe, like, share and comment. Let's start. I received a message. I want to read it, but I don't want him to know that I saw the message. So what you have to do is, after you receive the message, switch on the airplane mode and check the message. Now you can see that the tick mark is still in grey color. That means you didn't saw the message, but in real we saw the message. So that's how you see a WhatsApp message without the other person knowing. So if you like this video, please subscribe, like, share and comment. So with other good topics, see you in the next video. Till then, bye.